Alright, I've got the pump down in the river, coming up this hill. Filling my rain barrel through a filter. It's not necessary. There you have it. We'll fill up this 50-gallon drum in just a couple of minutes. The noise you hear is the generator. It only draws between 700 and 800 watts. The pump itself is almost silent. You don't hear it running at all. See, I got it right on the rocks. No issues with it sucking up anything. I've had the pump for over a year. I'm using it consistently for a year and a half. It's a great pump.